Hello folks, welcome back to part 2 of our Exa Cloud AI series. If you didn't watch the first part yet, the link is given in the description. Now let's do something even more interesting. So let's dive in. I have taken one sales dataset in the sales data sheet, which we had already seen in the first part, right? If you didn't saw the first part, the link is given in the description. You can check it out. Now let me show you what are the columns available in this sales dataset. This sales dataset contains 4 columns. The first column is ID column. Next we have country, salesperson, and this is total sales amount. Now let's move into the right side table. So basically inside this right side data, let me show you. I have taken the salesperson column, country column and total sales column. I want to fetch the record of country and total sales of this particular salesperson only. Right now, if you observe carefully inside the sales dataset, this sales dataset contains total 25 salesperson record. Now from this entire sales dataset, I want to fetch only the country and total sales of this limited salesperson. Means instead of finding the country and total sales of all the salesperson, I want to fetch detail of only this particular salesperson. Let me show you with the help of highlighter. So basically it is a salesperson column. If you observe carefully inside this sales dataset, the salesperson column is present in the third location, right? So basically inside the sales dataset, the salesperson column is present in the third location. Now if you want to find the country based on this lookup value, the VLOOKUP will not work. So basically with the help of XLOOKUP formula, we can easily fetch the record of country and total sales using this lookup value, right? But in this case, we are not taking help of VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. We are not doing any manual work. We will take help of Cloud AI in order to do this task. So let's click on this Cloud AI icon. As you can observe on the screen, this is Cloud AI, right? So first let's click on this Cloud AI. I have already given the prompt. Let me show you the prompt. Now here you can see I have given two prompt: fetch a sales data, summary report. So first let's see the first prompt. Let me show you with the help of highlighter, guys. So first we need to fetch the sales data, right? So using the sales data sheet, fetch the country and total sales for each salesperson listed in the summary table on the right hand side. Now let's copy this prompt. Let me copy it, Control A, Control C. Now paste this prompt here. Now go to this sales data sheet. Now let's see the power of Cloud AI. Let's see within how many seconds or how many minutes it will easily give the output. It started thinking. So basically we are not doing any manual work. We are giving work to Cloud AI. Wow, look at here, guys. Just within few seconds it has filled the complete record. So basically within few seconds it has fetched the data from this entire sales data, right? Now let's see which formula the Cloud AI has taken. If I click on Qatar, inside the formula bar, here you can notice clearly the Cloud AI has used XLOOKUP formula, right? As I already told you, the salesperson column is present in the third column of this sales data, right? So basically the VLOOKUP function will not work. The XLOOKUP function will only work. In the same way, let's see the total sales. Inside the formula bar, you can see clearly it has taken XLOOKUP formula, right? Let's see whether the record is correct or not. The first record is Preetham Kumar. Inside this sales data set, okay, this is the Preetham Kumar. The country is Qatar. It is correct. And the total sales value is 85,557. Excellent, right? So this is the power of Cloud AI. With the help of Cloud AI, you can save lot of time. Now just with the help of single prompt, we have fetched the country and total sales for this particular salesperson, right? Now I want to summarize this complete data. Just by looking at the table, we are not able to understand the insight from this data. Now what you can do is, you can write one prompt. Let me show you the prompt to summarize the report. The prompt is very simple. Look at the screen carefully. The prompt is, also create a sales analysis showing highest salesperson, lowest salesperson, country-wise total sales, average sales, and top performing countries with a summarized insight section. So basically we need to summarize the report, right? Now tell me in the comment section if you want to summarize the report. how much time will it take for you to summarize it? So basically you need to create the pivot table, you need to filter it, you need to create the visual, right? But just with the help of single prompt, we can take help of Claude AI to generate the complete insight. Let's copy this prompt, Control A, select the entire text, copy this, Control C. Now go to this sales data sheet. Now paste the prompt in the chat section. If you found this video is helpful, then do like this video, subscribe to the channel and write in the comment section Claude AI. Now let's click on this run. Once I click on this run, just wait for few seconds. It started thinking, right? I will build the analysis below the existing data. Let me show you guys. Existing data on the sales data sheet. G2 reverted to Qatar. Just wait for few seconds, guys. It started building. Let's see. Okay, look at here, guys. It started building the dashboard, right? So basically it started giving the insight just with the help of single prompt. So first it has given the sales analysis. Just to wait for a few seconds. It is taking time to load it because it is analyzing the data, right? So guys, the Claude AI has given the complete analysis. First it has given the sales analysis. Let me adjust all the columns. I think the column width is not proper. Yes, now it is proper. So first it has given the sales analysis. So basically if you do it manually, it will take hours of time, right? But just with the help of Claude AI, it will do within second. So let's see, first it has given the sales analysis. So inside the sales analysis, it has given the key metric. Who is the highest salesperson? The highest salesperson is Manoj Yadav. If you notice carefully inside the formula bar, the Claude AI has used index and match formula. In the same way, it has given the country as well as total sales. So look at the screen carefully. Inside the formula bar, just to look the magic. It has given the formulas also. And the lowest salesperson is Supriyal Sen. It is India. Total sales amount. This is the average sales amount and total sales amount. Look here, guys, just within few seconds it has generated the report, right? But there is some mistake inside this country wise sales amount because the data is overlapping. I think it should not overlap, but let's give one more comment. What we can do is we can just write here COUNTRY country wise sales. Let's write country wise sales analysis. We are asking Claude AI to generate country wise sales analysis because it has didn't given the data properly, right? Now just to wait for a few seconds, it is taking time. What would you like for the country? Let me zoom in, add a bar chart, just to expand the table, full dashboard, add chart, top, bottom. So what I will do, just to simply I will click on full dashboard. Look at here, guys, just to wait for a few seconds. It is creating the pivot table, pivot charts. Just to wait for a few seconds. Wow, fabulous. Just to look at the screen carefully. Now it has given the country wise sales, right? So these are the country names. Let me zoom in. Now it has given the total sales for each country. In the same way, it has given the sales people. It has generated average sales. It has given the rank also, percentage of total. It has given the top representative. In the same way, it has given the top representative sales. And it also created one bar chart also. As you can observe on the screen, this is the country wise bar chart it has created. So basically with the help of Claude AI, within few seconds you can generate the report easily. Now let's see what are the insights the Claude AI has generated. The first one is top performer. Manoj Yadav, Kuwait with 98,971 in sales. Next, the lowest performer is Supriyal Sen, India with 50,385 in sales. So basically it is analyzing the data and it is giving the insight also. Let's see the top country by total sales. Oman country across 8 representative. I think it is representative. Next we have top country by average sales. Singapore. Overall average sales per person 80,170 across 25 representative. Total books 20. What is this total books? 20 lakh 4,000. So guys, do you know what is this total book? It has given 20 lakh 4,258. I don't know what is this total book. If you know, do write in the comment section. Let me ask you a simple question. This Excel workbook contains 5 different sheets, right? First we have the index sheet, next prompt, Next we have sales data, payroll and inventory. Now my simple question is, I want to split all this Excel sheet into a new Excel file. So basically this Excel data is available, right? So this Excel data sheet, I want to create one new Excel file. So if you do manually, what you need to do is you need to right click on the sales data. You need to go to move or copy, right? Now once you click on move or copy, you need to select from here new workbook. So once you click on new workbook, now you need to check this option which is create a copy, and if you click on OK, now in this way you can create a new Excel file with the sales data sheet, right? But if you repeat for this all 5 sheet, it will take lot of time. Let's suppose in a company if you have hundreds of sheet, so if you do it manually, it will take lot of hours of time, right? You can do this task within few seconds. Yes, it is possible with the help of Excel Booster tool. So on the screen here you can observe this is the Excel Booster tool which can save your time. You can do lot of automation tasks. So first what I will do, I will simply click on this file automation. Now inside this file automation there is one option which is sheet splitter. So what actually the sheet splitter option will do, it will convert all your sheet into the respective Excel file. Let's see the power of this. Let's click on this sheet splitter. Once you click, you need to select the folder. What I will do, I will just click on this desktop. Now inside this desktop, I will create one new folder. Let's create a folder. I will give the folder name as sheet splitter. Let's see whether it is possible or not. Sheet, SHEET, sheet splitter, sorry guys, SPLITTER. I think the spelling is correct, right? Now let's click on OK. Now just wait for a few seconds. It started. Let me show you guys. Wow, amazing. Look here guys. All non-blank worksheet has been successfully saved as Excel files in the folder. So it has saved in the sheet splitter folder. Let me click on OK. Let me open the folder which I have created in desktop. Okay. Look at here guys. This is the sheet splitter folder which we have created, right? Let's see whether all the sheets has converted into file or not. Let me double click on this. Look at here guys. Now all the sheets are converted into separate Excel file. Let's click on this sales data. Let me double click on this. Wow, amazing, right? Look here guys. Just with the help of Excel Booster tool, you can do your automation task, right? Now if you notice carefully, you will get this sales data sheet, right? Where you can see only the sales data sheet which is available in the original Excel file. So basically with the help of Excel Booster tool, you can split all the Excel sheet into different Excel file. In the same way, I want to see this prompt sheet. Let's see whether the prompt sheet came or not. Let's click on this prompt file. Wow, look at here guys. You will get this prompt sheet in new Excel file. So this is the power of Excel Booster. So guys, this is the part 2 of Excel plus Cloud AI series. In this part, we have seen how to fetch the data. In the same way, how to generate the report with the help of Cloud AI, right? Now, if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And in the next part, we will see some more interesting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.